Hey guys, another poll question we got asked was how to properly chop and cut with your chef knife. This is it, guys. This is the way to hold a chef knife. And what you want to do to use a chef knife correctly with chopping a carrot, say, is just rock and chop. Rolling your fingers back on your other hand so you don't cut them. You can guide your knuckle on that top of that edge, or top of the blade there, to be sure you don't cut. And once you get that little motion down, just introduce a little piece of food to that. And what you're doing is just feeding it with your thumb and keeping that knuckle just at that blade. You know where your knife is at that point. I can close my eyes and cut. Always watch what you're doing. Watch the blade, watch the edge. You're gonna lift it up, you're gonna pull it back and go push forward as you're cutting. So back and forth, nice and slow. This is how I practiced when I first started in learning how to use a knife properly. Really, the pinched grip is important. Get control that way, and you are going to be a better cutter. I'm Mike from ErgoChef. Thanks for watching. Check us out at ergochef.com because we are the new shape of cutlery.